Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be taking you with me on our educational tour to see how energy and food are produced in real industrial settings. My name is Daniela May Baraga from BS in Industrial Engineering 31, and this educational tour took place on January 8, 2026. During this journey, we visited two major industrial facilities. First, ABOITIZ Power MakBan Geothermal Power Plant, and second, the Mega Prime Foods Manufacturing Plant. Before I continue, I'll be showing you a short video glimpse of the tour to give you a clear view of our experience in these facilities.
So show family all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. But I can write a song. I belong with you. You belong with me. You're my sweet home. I belong with you. You belong with me. You're my sweet home.
Our first stop was the MakBan Geothermal Power Plant, where we learned how heat from beneath the earth is converted into electricity. One of the most important things I observed was how steam produced by underground heat is used to rotate turbines. This rotating motion is then converted into electrical energy which supplies power to nearby communities. I also learned how this process involves the conversion of thermal energy into mechanical energy and finally into electrical energy. What makes geothermal energy truly impressive is that it is renewable and sustainable since it uses the Earth's natural heat. What really caught my attention was how the Earth's natural heat can continuously produce electricity. We were also able to see the actual tools and equipment used to dig deep into the Earth's surface to reach certain depths where steam can be harnessed. I noticed some sedimentary rocks along the museum site, which helped me understand the geological layers involved in geothermal energy production. We were introduced to important components such as impeller, valves, and controls which play crucial roles in controlling the flow, pressure, and movement of the steam and water in the system. What amazed me the most were the massive cooling towers standing so close to us. As they released steam, some of the water turned into a cool mist that lightly spilled towards us, making the experience feel even more real and exciting. In addition to learning about the technology, we also saw a statue and learned about the history of geothermal energy in the Philippines. I also learned about Ernesto R. Aboitis, whose contributions played an important role in the development and advancement of the geothermal power. This part of the tour helped me appreciate not only the science behind geothermal energy, but also the people who made its progress possible. These interactive demonstrations helped me clearly visualize how energy flows and transforms in real systems. This experience clearly showed the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed but only transformed from one form to another. Our next destination was the Mega Prime Foods manufacturing plant, where we witnessed how food products are processed on an industrial scale. One of the key observations I made was the use of automated machines and advanced systems to ensure fast, efficient, and consistent production. Temperature control plays a very important role in food processing, especially during cooking, sealing, and preservation. During the tour, we were also shown some of Mega Prime Foods fishing boats, which are used to catch and deliver fresh fish directly to the port. We were also introduced to the history and timeline of Mega Prime Foods, giving us insights into how the company started and how it grew into a large-scale food manufacturer. We also experienced the canning procedure of their sardines manufacturing in their simulation area. It was really fun and became a core memory for us because we were able to see and experience the process firsthand. What amazed me the most was learning that Mega Prime Foods does not use chemical preservatives in their products. Instead, they rely on precise cooking technology. The canned products, like sardines, are cooked inside stainless steel, tube like oven machines where high, carefully controlled temperatures are applied. This process effectively eliminates microorganisms and seals the product properly, allowing it to have a long shelf life. We also learned that the entire process, from catching the fish to canning, takes only about 12 hours, ensuring that the products are extremely fresh and retain their natural quality. What interested me the most was how precise temperature regulation is required to maintain food quality and safety. Even small changes can affect the taste, texture, and shelf life of the products. This experience showed me the real life application of thermodynamics through heat transfer in cooking, proving that thermodynamics is not only applied in power plants but also in everyday food products we consume. Overall, this educational tour was not just educational, but super exciting as well. Even though it involved not too long walks and spending hours on site, seeing the massive machines and industrial process up close made everything totally worth it. Let me share with you how genuinely happy I was during this experience. I really enjoyed every part of the tour. There was so much learning, and the whole plant tour was very interactive. From asking questions to observing real life operations, it felt amazing to connect what we learned in class to what actually happens in the industry. This tour helped me understand thermodynamics beyond textbooks and appreciate energy and engineering from generating electricity to producing the food we eat. Now, before we end, let me show you some pictures and video clips, just a glimpse of the memories and highlights from this unforgettable tour. Thank you for coming with me on this learning journey.
Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light. It's good. Something about it changed my state of mind. It's her. Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light. It's good. Something about it changed my state